Another science fiction became alarmingly true. A dangerous hole appeared in the ozone layer. It was here in Antarctica in 1984 where the first alarming evidence emerged. The ozone layer over the South Pole had reduced by 50%. Teams of scientists discovered that chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, damage ozone molecules when sunlight causes chlorine in the compound to break away. In turn, this destroys the ozone molecules. The ozone hole still exists and is not recovering as fast as predicted. Over the Antarctic, ozone recovery is now expected around 2065. So there is still work to be done. In fact, the latest scientific assessment warns that failure to comply with the Montreal Protocol could delay or even prevent recovery of the ozone layer. The good news is that the treaty can once again adapt to meet new challenges. Since the ozone-depleting substances being phased out also contribute to global warming, the treaty remains extremely important in tackling climate change.
Arctic sea ice reflects about 80% of the sun's heat, stabilizing the colder temperature of the ocean. Based on the latest satellite data cited in a December 2007 article, National Aeronautics and Space Administration climate scientist Jay Zawali predicts that nearly all the ice could be gone from the Arctic Ocean by the end of summer 2012.
We have to save this planet so that we'll be able to stay first. Because if the ice all melt, if the pole all melt out, and then if the sea is warm, then the gas will be released from the ocean and we all be poisoned by the gas from the ocean. It's a lot of gas, enough to kill everyone. If you see the Singapore lecture, I already warned that we have to change the way we live, otherwise it's too late. It's 10 or 15 years ago. Before that, I always talked about how we deforest our planet, yeah? Meat eating and all that is contribute to a lot of damage to our planet, Scientists say many things. They're listening now, but I just hope they do it fast. They just take action. All the governments in the world really take it now seriously. It's just I'm worried the action might be too slow, that's all. Because the eyes are reflecting the sun, you see? So I send it back into the space. But the eyes are melting so fast now that there's not enough reflection, yeah? And because the sea is already warm. And because the sea warm, it melts the ice. And because the ice melt, the sea warmer. You see what I mean, the cycle? The way it is going, if they don't fix it, 4 or 5 years time, finito. No more. It's really that urgent.